But I think what's interesting though is why the Model 3 took off like it did was all of the things that are obvious for sure that we don't need to go into. But one thing that was unique was the Tesla had built the infrastructure along in parallel with the car, and all the things that went into building, the ecosystem that commercializes a car, right? The supply chain, the factories, the labor, all the things, the engineering. But at the same time, they built this infrastructure. But the key factor was they gave you the mapping so that range anxiety became so much more diminished in that you got in, plugged in the address you're going to, and it's going to tell you when and where to stop. Like to
Hmm.
me, that was the fundamental breakthrough in mass adoption in EV is that without that, so yes, you have to have the infrastructure. Yes, you have to have a car that people want to drive. But the idea that those of us that could and would and wanted to drive that car now got to say, look, I know exactly how to get from point A to point B. It's mapped out for me. So that I think gets easily like glazed over in conversation around mass adoption of EV is that mapping tool of planning your trip and where to charge and for how long and all of those things, how many stalls are open, all that stuff, what amenities might be near that charging station. So you can even plan your lunch along with your charge.